Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix this page isn't available at the moment. So guys, if you are facing this problem on your Instagram, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, first of all, make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, make sure your internet connection is working properly and the page which you are trying right now is not deleted from the other side. So guys, make sure that the page or the post is not deleted from the other side, and after this go for the other solution, that is you will have to reset your network settings in your device. So guys, for that, open up your settings in your device and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So from here tap on reset again and tap on reset network settings. So enter your passcode and reset your network settings in your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and after this go for the other solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to disconnect all the connected VPNs in your device if there is any connected VPN. So for that you will have to open up your settings and from here tap on VPN, and from here make sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So disconnect the VPN and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution. That is you will have to open your settings again and from here tap on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage and wait for some second and scroll it below and tap on Instagram. So guys, from here simply offload the app and after this reinstall your Instagram app again and make sure that you are using an updated version of Instagram in your device. So guys, hopefully after all these solutions your problem will be fixed. So I thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.